I'm Lorraine Beaman. I'm an interview coach that helps people excel during interviews by sharing insights and strategies on how to prepare answers to questions. Questions like, why should we hire you? Or, why should we hire you rather than any of the other candidates who have applied for this position? To prepare for an answer for this question, start with the job description. Look for 3 to 4 strengths that you have that are required in the job. Then think about the types of projects that you would be taking on if you were offered this position, and combine those strengths with those projects to create an answer that shows your enthusiasm and your confidence that you are the best candidate for the position. Let's say that you're applying for a position as an account manager. You're asked, why should we hire you? You might answer, because I will be able to use my extensive leadership skills, my strategic planning, and my negotiation skills to build the best professional sales team this company has ever had. It shows the skills that you're going to bring, the project that you're going to accomplish, and says that you are going to be the best at it. Okay, so let's switch and say that you're applying for a position as an administrative assistant. Tone may be a little different than sales, but it's still enthusiastic and stating that you are the person to do this job. So an administrative assistant candidate being asked, why should we hire you, might respond, because I will use my exceptional organizational, technical, and critical thinking skills to ensure every project is completed on time.